Greetings from Ifata Roldens. We would like to thank you for your continued patronage. Over the years, we were helping you to create integrated individuals in your teachers. Considering the request of many of the principals who attended the 19 Pan-India conclaves during the pandemic, we have announced the Teachers Teaching Effectiveness and Emotional Wellbeing Program online. Accelerate Teaching Effectiveness and Emotional Wellbeing Program to help teachers to excel in their profession as teachers and elevate themselves to a new height to be effective in the digital form of education, which is designed in such a way that it will benefit the teachers from the lower classes to the higher education. And teachers can join at their convenience to any course that will be starting on every Monday and finish it according to their convenience. We have seen virtual learning has become a major form of education. Teachers are required to accept and experiment technology, learn adaptable tools, and make education learner-friendly. We have created this program with the twin objective of helping teachers to deliver effective and engaging class and enabling them to manage emotional struggles and also handhold students. And the modules in the teaching effectiveness area will be, first of all, classroom effectiveness, then creativity in teaching, digital habits of teachers, that is the habits of teachers in these both forms, physical as well as virtual, then art of teaching and work-life balance. And in the psychological area, that is in the emotional well-being area, struggles and stability, anxiety disorder and depression, remedies for emotional struggles, distractions management, where teachers will be able to think about and handle their distractions, and also helping students to understand and manage distractions. Then positive psychology in education. There will be 10 sessions of approximately 45 minutes duration, which will contain recorded sessions and activities for dynamics. There will be assignments and offline practicing of tools. Again, there will be one live session optional for those who would like to get more information or want to have an interaction with the resource persons. First person is going to be with the people are, first of all, me myself, Wilson Joseph. I am there with you people for the last 27 years as a trainer for the teachers, students and parents. I will be joined by a very eminent personality, psychologist Dr. Bipin Roldens, a peak time performance coach and an industrial and organizational psychologist. He's having experience of training teachers and leaders for the last 20 years. Hence, we request each one of you to recommend every teacher of yours to undergo this training in this teaching effectiveness and emotional well-being. E-certificates will be provided on completion of the course. A very nominal fees will be charged for this. It will be only 350 rupees per participant. Here, I am signing off, Wilson Joseph from Ifata Roldens. Thank you very much for listening to me. Bye-bye.